नमस्ते सभी को स्वागत किया है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल से और बात करेंगे आप लोगों के साथ आज Q3 रिजल्ट के बारे में। और Q3 रिजल्ट टुडे लाइव एटर्नल Q3 प्रॉफिट्स सोआर Deepinder Goyal to step down as CEO, Dhanlaxmi Bank, Tata Communicative and Dhanlaxmi Jewelry. Q3 profit raise Dr. Reddy KEI Industries, Dalmia Bharat, HPCL, PNB Housing Finance were energized to announce Q3 result. Q3 result today 1st Jan 2026. Live updates. Find all the latest Q3 result 2026 update. Two investors are working together with analyzing the stock data graphs in the paper and viewing the data on the laptop screen. Stock photo. Q3 result today 1st Jan 2026. Live updates. Find all the latest Q3 result 2026 updates of Eternal Directory Laboratories, Hindustan Petroleum Corporation, Tata Communication, Supreme Industry, Dalmia Bharat, KEI Industry, PNB Housing Finance, ETLogin Management Company, Galant Ispat and Canara SBC Life Insurance Company, Dhanlaxmi and Jewelers, Gravita India and more. Q3 result today key highlighted an eternal Q3 consolidated profit soars to rest 102 crore. Deepinder Goyal to the stop down as CEO. Dalmia Bharat loss as 20 crore standalone and net profit in Q3 financial year 2025. Jindal Stainless Q3 result live Q3 profit of Jindal Stainless reported stand along net profit for the quarter ended December 2025 at res 665.85 crore as against res 618.64 crore in the same quarter last year. Board approved the payment of the res 1:1 dividend. Deepinder Goyal to step down as CEO at Zomato parent Eternal. Eternal said on the Wednesday that founder Deepinder Goyal will step down as Chief Executive of Financial and the Managing Director effective February 1.